everyone, this is Neha Tulsyan from Crescent Creation. Welcome to another video on my YouTube channel. Today's video is one of my favorite videos to share with you. It's the Lawn Fawn Spring release, and I am so excited to show you all the new products that I got from Lawn Fawn. I think I say this every single release, but I have to say this. This is one of my favorite release. And without much ado, let me show you what all products I got from this release. The first stamp set is the Bubbles of Joy stamp set, and I am in love with these mice. They are so adorable, and they are a perfect addition to all the other mice stamp sets that we have. And I just like this Bubbles stamp set as is. I mean, who doesn't like bubbles? And I just love the sentiments here. I'm blown away by your kindness. When life gives you trouble, blow bubbles. So cute, right? Next, I got the Scripty Bubbles sentiment stamp set. This coordinates perfectly with our Bubbles of Joy stamp set. That little mouse is so adorable there. And I really like these sentiments that you can add to your bubbles. It's just adorable. I just like the whole combination of this. Next is the Bubbles border die, which matches perfectly with these two stamp sets. It will create this beautiful bubble border for your cards that you can pair along with those stamp sets, creating some really adorable cards. Next is the Virtual Friends stamp set and the coordinating die. This is such a cleverly designed set. I'm in love with this. Perfect for replicating those Zoom calls we have been having for past 1 year. And you can create some really cute cards with these. And the best part about this stamp set is that you can choose to add number of characters on your computer screen. You can add 1 or 2 or even 4 of them. I got this coordinating die because it has that rectangle die that cuts the inside of the screen. Rest of all the images can be die cut using my scan and cut, but not that part. Next is this pop-up desk die, which is a perfect addition to the virtual friend stamps. It creates this beautiful desk that pops up in the inside of your card, and it also has this cute laptop that you can add to the desk. Next is this reveal wheel rectangle window add-on die and the reveal wheel template that works with the virtual friend stamp set. You can use these to create a reveal wheel interactive card and add all these characters in one card. Next is this tiny friends stamp set, and I must tell you, this is the most weighted stamp set from Lawn Fawn. Everyone who loves Lawn Fawn or have used Lawn Fawn products wanted to have some people stamps, and this is just the perfect addition. And I love that they are tiny, so you can use these with your virtual friends stamp set too. Next is this magic messages stamp set. It works perfectly with your magic iris die, but you can use it separately too. I really like how this stamp set is designed. I like the sentiments here, just adorable. Next is the stitched sun frame and outside in stitched sun dies. These again matches with the magic iris die, so matches with the magic messages stamp set too, but again you can use them separately too. Next is the Swish and Pop pull tab die. This is one of the interactive dies from Lawn Fawn, and I am super excited about this die. I mean, the possibilities are endless. Can't wait to use it on my card. So excited about this die. Next is the Slimline Grassy Hillside Borders die. I love all the border dies from Lawn Fawn, and when Lawn Fawn gets these dies in slimline size, I have to get them. Next is the Slimline Simple Hillside Stencil. I've been waiting for slimline stencils for so long. I mean, they are just perfect for creating any scenes on your slimline cards. Next is this bubble stencil and the bubble background stencils. You can use these stencils with the Bubbles of Joy stamp set and create some really fun looking backgrounds for your cards. You can even use this bubble background stencil not just to add bubbles to the background of your card, but also to get that bouquet effect um, for your background. I think that will be so cool. Next is this long distance hugs stamp set. I really like this stamp set and I can see myself using this very, very frequently. I did not get a coordinating die for this stamp set because I think my scan and cut will do a pretty good job at cutting these sentiments, but if not, then I might grab the coordinating dies later. Next, I got this Build a House Spring add-on die. As the name suggests, it's an add-on die for the house die that we have. Lawn fawn. I love that house die and I cannot wait to decorate it in spring theme. Lastly, I got these two flip-flop stamps. So flip-flop stamps are actually mirror stamps of previously released stamps, and they have also flipped their packaging for this stamp set. So cute, right? They really take care of all the details. So on the left is the Elfie Selfie Flip Flop stamp set, which actually I got free from Not2Shabby shop for purchase of $60 or above. And on the right is the Butterfly Kisses Flip Flop stamp set. I think this is such a clever concept and I cannot wait to use these stamp sets. So this was my haul from the new spring release from Lawn Fawn, which I purchased from Not2Shabby shop. I cannot wait to show you guys what all ideas that I have for all these products. So stay tuned and I'll soon be uploading a lot of videos using all these products. Thank you for stopping by. Until then, happy stamping!